Hey, what's going on? This is Nick LS, and today I'm going to be trying to beat my all-time personal top speed on a motorcycle. Currently it is 82 or 83, somewhere in that range. It's definitely not 85, because I have done a couple of these other videos before, and my goal was 80 and I beat it just by a little. So today we're going to up that and we're going to go to 90. I'm going to try and hit 90 miles an hour on my Ninja 400. And I know these things can go a whole lot faster than that, but that's something that I'm just not too comfortable with quite yet. I don't want to take it to that high of a speed quite yet. I did get pulled over about a month or two ago with the cop had said I was going 128. I don't want that to actually be true. This bike can't even get up to that fast, but anyway, he had the wrong person. I was not going 128, and luckily I had my GoPro on me to prove that I wasn't. So I'm not going that fast yet. So I know for a lot of you 90 may not be a whole lot, but for me it's a lot, and it's going to be my personal best. So I want you to join me on this ride, and let's try and conquer this challenge. So the freeway is going to be a couple minutes up the road, and that's where I'm going to try to get that speed on. It's a pretty nice straightaway. Usually not a whole lot of cops there. It's usually not too busy, so I think that's going to be a good place to try and attempt it. Yeah, it's basically right down the road. I'm going to go down this road. I'm going to take a left at the lights, and then just a little bit further down is the on-ramp to the freeway. So let's ride. Oh man, we hit it. Oh, this bike never fails to put a smile on my face. Jeez, we hit 90 not once but twice, and it was super easy to get there too. Oh, the acceleration on this bike, I'll tell you. Oh my goodness. Well, we hit it with ease. My heart's pumping. I huge adrenaline rush right now. I have just the largest adrenaline rush ever. That was awesome. We had some nice room to hit it, and we basically just went for it right away off the fly, no hesitation. This bike is so smooth. Oh my goodness. 90 miles an hour, and it felt like it had so much more power. It felt so smooth just to get up to that 90. And if you could see at first, to try and merge on was a little tricky. I had to go in between two cars. Yeah, so I mean that was kind of cool to see some merging, because I know I've talked about it on my channel before, how this bike is fine with merging, and you saw that. You actually got to see that, and then got up to speed and then led traffic. So I am super impressed with this bike. It is, I mean, I'm very impressed. I am very impressed by this Ninja 400, and I hit my goal. Yeah, 90 miles an hour on the Ninja 400. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.